Good morning, or good afternoon, rather. We are talking about more storms possible heading into this afternoon for a few of us in the valley. That front we've been talking about this last couple of days, well, it's so slow moving, it may trigger a couple of storms heading into the afternoon hours. So we're going to talk about that in your forecast, and also still assessing the damage. We just got this photo in from the Pine Creek, Minnesota area today, and this is in Roseau County in northwest Minnesota, one of those areas that we did have a tornado warning. Stewart shared this photo with us of the debris there. It looks like they took quite a bit of damage on his farm. And the National Weather Service up in Kittson County, Roseau County, checking out the damage in those areas here this afternoon. So continuing to assess what happened yesterday. And again, I mentioned that we're still not quite done with the rain just yet. Here's a look at the radar and satellite map. You can see there are some big breaks where we're getting some blue sky. Fargo enjoying it right now, but we do have that rain down to the south. And then that is all along a line of showers and thunder showers that could develop into something more as we head into the later afternoon. So zooming in a little bit more, you can see there are more clouds coming Fargo's way, and maybe even a quick sprinkle too down toward Oaks and into eastern parts of Dickey County, the Lidgerwood area, seeing a little bit of that rain as well. And heading northward, a couple of cells that have been trying to develop up in that Kittson County and Canadian border area and other places northwest Minnesota. So going to continue to monitor those things as we head into the afternoon. Some big changes with this front. We're watching our temperatures cool down significantly from recent days. Our current readings are in the 60s and 70s. Noon hour, the last couple of days, we've been upper 80s in some instances. So it's been pretty warm. We even hit 90 at the noon hour one day this week. So again, this is a big difference from that, and we will continue that trend here through the day. The wind, a little bit brisk, but definitely not as strong as what we've seen. We're seeing a gust at most right now at 20 miles per hour in Roseau. So here's a look at our hour by hour planner. We're going to watch that boundary, that front, just slowly work its way eastward. And as it does so, you can see some storm development happening in central Minnesota. The question is will the front be clear of the Red River Valley when that starts to happen? It may not be. It may bring some storms to places like Baudette and Bemidji and down toward Wadena. That would be the better bet for that potential for stormy activity or even some stronger storms here heading into the afternoon. This is 5 o'clock. Temperatures at that point mainly in the 70s to near 80. You can see it's a lot cooler up in the Devil's Lake Basin at that point. Heading into tonight, that quickly moves off to the east. So if we do get some thunder, it won't last very long. It'll be a very short window. And then into this evening, we will watch that northwesterly wind kick in, and that's going to bring us some refreshing air. Look at these temperatures overnight. We'll be dipping into some upper 40s and 50s here to start off our day tomorrow. Huge difference from the 70s we've been starting with. So a good overnight to give that air conditioner a break. Good sleeping weather here. So here's a look at our risk for this afternoon. Anywhere in light green, that's where we're talking about the chance for some rain or maybe a little general thunderstorm risk. It's in the deeper green where we're talking more severe. You can see the Storm Prediction Center thinking that's going to be outside of our viewing area, but still just want to be vigilant about that if you're in that region. Friday looks great, a little breezy, but 70s, and this weekend unsettled, chances for rain off and on, but temperatures look pretty good, 70s to about 80 degrees.
All right, looking good. Thank you very much, Lisa. Straight ahead.